Hi everybody, this is Anthony from AskAnthonyJohnson.com, and I'm just coming with you another feature from Facebook, and it's called Story Highlights. And I just want to show you real quick how you can use this if you are promoting your product or services in your business. Now, all you have to do is just hit Add New, and then you're going to select which story highlight that you want. So I'm just going to select a few of them. Select this here, this one, and this one, and then you just click done. So now you have a story highlight. Now you can also edit the name of the story highlight here. You just press the little pencil button right here, and then you just click save. After you save it, now you got a highlight right there on your Facebook profile. So now if you have something that you're promoting, you can promote it right on your Facebook profile here. Now you can also, when you click and hold down on the story highlight, you can delete that highlight, or you can edit the story highlight. So when you go in and edit it, what you can do is you can come up here, you can make changes inside of here, or you can add more highlights to it, or you can come up here and you're going to look at the settings on it, and you just click the setting button here. So you can make your highlights public, or you can just show them to just your friends, or you can do a custom one and you can just pick who can see it, or you can just hide your highlights from certain people also. So that's how you use highlights in the Facebook app. Now I'm seeing it on the mobile device. I hadn't seen it on the desktop. Now it's very similar to the Instagram highlights here. When I click on, I go to story highlights on Instagram. It's very similar to those. So if you like this, make sure that you like this and comment in the comment section. I would like to see how y'all going to use the new story highlights in Facebook. All right, guys. Thanks for listening and watching right here, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.